The biology of the human body is complex, and that means developing even one drug to treat illness or disease can take decades and cost about $2.6 billion.
一个药物在临床阶段的真正的花费和时间，实际上是做一个新药的这个花费最大的以及时间最长的地方。像这些临床试验的这个编程工作、分析工作，大量是重复性的。
There's lots of wastage in the way we've traditionally run trials because we're not designing the right trial, we're not recruiting from the right sites, and we're changing the study so much over time that it ends up expanding the overall duration of the clinical research effort.
But now, AI is reshaping and revolutionizing the process. So how does this happen? One example is a synthetic control arm solution developed by Medidata, which simulates scenarios from drug interactions to trial designs to ensure that by the time a drug reaches a patient, it has undergone extensive virtual testing.
We have tens of thousands of studies we've worked on which contain tens of millions of participants, right? And so we are able to take those and produce both synthetic human beings, and you can take that synthetic human being and really run different tests on it as if it's a virtual twin.
By acquiring, interpreting, and activating data, AI is also playing a critical role in drug discovery. A researcher at a pharmaceutical company is capable of analyzing 200 to 300 studies a year, putting average development time at 1 to 5 years. However, with AI, it's possible for pharmaceutical companies to analyze 1 million papers and 4 million pieces of clinical data simultaneously. The time that can be saved with this technique is expected to reduce development costs.
Clinical trials have become very expensive because many of the drugs that we put into a clinical research experience don't succeed. So AI is going to fundamentally change the probability that these drugs succeed and the probability that when they do go to market, we're seeing expected results that were predicted along the way.
The latest report from research consultancy Global Market Insights show that by 2032, the AI-empowered healthcare sector will be worth $70 billion with a compound annual growth rate of 29%. Annual growth in China is expected to be 30%. More specifically, the market size of AI-enabled drug research and development is expected to exceed $20 billion. However, challenges remain as enterprises increase efforts to promote AI applications in the medical field.
The challenge is still making sure that all of our AI models are trained on data that makes it intelligent. We need to make sure that we continue to have access to global data, global healthcare data, clinical trials data.
AIDD 能够加快药物发现，但是的话呢，当 AI 设计了一个分子以后，由于这个我们对它具体设计的分子的不了解，实际上还需要加个人工验证的一个环节。这个本身生物学的复杂性，这是一个很大的门槛。还有一个门槛就是这方面人才的缺乏。要是 AI 的人才相对来说比较丰富，而且这些 AI 的人才对于这个传统的流程有一定了解的话，这个其实很多的 AI 的一些实施工作是可以很快执行的。